Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn about Cloudflare, how you can improve your website speed and performance using Cloudflare. In this tutorial we will learn how to set up Cloudflare, how to improve your website speed and more. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Before we go into video, even you're using Blogger platform or WordPress platform, the process is very same for both. So let me show you first. I'm using Hostinger. Let me show you my hosting. So let me go to domain sections. So I have some of the domains. Make sure you have access of your domains DNS. So I'm using Hostinger. Let me show you one of my domain, and it has option DNS and name server. Make sure you are able to change your name server. When we add our website to Cloudflare, that will ask you to change these name server. When you click on change name server, you have to put or custom name server and put the Cloudflare name server we will use here. This way you will able to connect your website to Cloudflare. So let me go to Cloudflare quickly. I'm going to log in into my Cloudflare account. Make sure you already create account with Cloudflare. This is free account. So let me go ahead, proceed to login. So I'm already logged in into my Cloudflare account. For now, I don't have any website here. I have this account is new account, but I need to connect my website domain name. If you're using first time, then you will see option to put your existing domain name here, and you will option choose here quick scan for DNS record. So this is recommendable. So if you're using any domain provider, it will scan your previous DNS record and it will suggest you to change your DNS record, and it will scan if there is any error in the DNS record. So first we will provide our website name here. Let me copy my Blogger site here. Let me copy my domain name and I will put my domain name here, but don't just copy and paste it. This is not gonna work. If I click on continue, it will ask you to provide invalid domain. So make sure you remove https www. Just only provide your domain name, your domain name.com or xyz, only this. Okay, after that click continue. So if you are first time on my channel, please hit subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. I really appreciate that. So here we will choose our free plan. Click on free plan here and click continue, and it may take some time to finish this initial setup. So here it will scan your DNS you already have with your domain provider. And here you will see some of the error. Our scan may have missed uncommon record or custom subdomain. So here you will see your traffic is almost ready to proxy. Some of the options and values here you will see proxy status is enabled here. What that mean? That mean your website traffic will go through DNS, Cloudflare DNS. If you disable this one, your website traffic will not go through Cloudflare server. So make sure you always keep these things enabled in the A record, C record, C name. As you can see, I'm using C name here. Okay, proxy. And then here you can read here proxy HTTPS, HTTP traffic go through the Cloudflare network. If you disable this one, it will only go through DNS, your previous domain DNS. It will bypass the Cloudflare DNS. So here, let me go to continue to activation. If you have any error, just let me know in comments, so I will reply you there. So last step, update your name server to activate Cloudflare. So if I scroll down, it will suggest you to change your name server with Cloudflare name servers. I teach you about this name server we need to change. So this is the value we need to put into our domain provider DNS. So let me first copy the first one. Click here, copy to clipboard, come back to your domain provider DNS setting and put custom name server. First let me first choose my here perfectly. So we will not put this value to wrong URL. Okay, so change name server. First let me paste that one, and next one I will again copy, and you can see here delete your other domain name. It will auto scan and saying that these value are already present into your previous name server. You have to remove and put these values. Okay, so we are doing same. So let me copy the next one, rose.ns.cloudflare.com, and put the second one also. So make sure you don't put any space between it, and now click on save. Now my DNS has been changed to Cloudflare. What is the next step? Next step, we just have to only click on continue after you provide your Cloudflare name server to your domain provider. Click on continue. And here it will take some time to connect your website. Scroll down and you can click here Cloudflare. Well, check for name server update. Check name server now because you already changed it. Click on change server now. Cloudflare is now checking your name server. Please wait few hours, but it will not take hours. It will take very little time. So let's check out our website. If our website still working, refresh. Yeah, our website is working perfectly. Okay, so we will wait. If I open my website to new private tab, it should work. Yeah, it's working. So it means the DNS has been changed to Cloudflare. So let me search Google DNS check to check if our website has already the Cloudflare already activate on Cloudflare. Provide your website link here. Check DNS check, and let me check the CNAME search. Yeah, it's still on Google, as you can see, ghg.google. And let me try out a record. Yeah, this one is the Cloudflare. So let me copy this. Let me check out some other. Yeah, name server. Keep scroll down. Try to check different your domain values, host addresses. Let me go to any other website and put your domain name, DNS lookup, and it will give you detail of your website. The remote server 420 too many requests. Okay, so monitor this. Let me click on here. Monitor this. Okay, so now there are two things. Let me show you. I'm using blogger.com for my blog, which I changed the DNS, this one. So let me go back to blogger setting. In the blogger, I already installed SSL. That's okay. And I have set redirect my domain, HTTPS availability. Okay, some other settings. Sometime your website already have SSL with your domain provider, and What Cloudflare do? Cloudflare check the previous SSLs installed. But if you have two SSL, because Cloudflare also install SSL, universal SSL. So let me show you in SSL TLS service, and here it's set to full. If your website has already SSL certificate in your previous, like if you already run your website, you just want to change, but your website already has SSL, then you will might select the full strict or full. Only both option. Not don't go with flexible or off. Okay, so full. What that mean? Enable encryption end to end when your origin server support SSL. That's mean. So always set to full. So I will also show you some of other important setting you need to do it. Okay, so let's check out if our website still working. Refresh. It's working. Okay, let me check now, inspect if I see any Cloudflare request here. Yeah, here it is. So that means Cloudflare has been activated on my website. As you can see in the elements, there is a script of Cloudflare. Here it is. https cdnjs.cloudflare.com. So it means Cloudflare has been activated on our website. So if you go down, it will give you more detail. So let me click on it, or console. Here it is. In the source option, you will see CDN Cloudflare. It means it's activated here. So it's already doing its work. It's optimizing your website already. Okay. Now, next step, let's do some important setting in Cloudflare to optimize our website. Let me first go to overview. You might see the arrow here, invalid name server or something. Complete the instruction. So it may take some time. So you can keep refresh until it connect properly. You can click here, check name server now. It will check again if the name server already, because we already done that process. So you have to wait little bit. Just keep refresh it, and you can do your setting anything here, and those will be activate after name server updated here. That's okay. And then now let's go to first option here. Security speed. Let's go to first SSL. As I already explained about SSL, you must set to full or strict. You can set to full, that's okay. SSL reminder, edge certificate. In the edge certificate, here always use HTTPS. Make sure you enable this one. So this will always use HTTPS, a secure server for your website. Enable this, and minimum TLS version default, keep it default, that's okay. TLS 1.3, enable it. Automatic HTTP rewrite, you can enable this one. It will automatic rewrite, help you fix mixed content by changing HTTPS. So it will just keep one content, not it's because if the website has HTTPS different and HTTP both using, sometime website using both secure or unsecure HTTP, then it will auto rewrite to avoid duplicate content or mixed content. You can enable this one. This will help you to keep HTTPS, nothing mix or mixed content. Then here, disable universal SS certificate. We already have a certificate. We will not disable it. So we will keep it as it is. Let's go to security overview. What options we have in the security? We will check here. Analytics. Okay. Events or WAF. These all setting are related to security of your website. So both, if your website has a lot of traffic, AI traffic, you can block AI bots here. If you feel your website has a lot of traffic but not a genuine traffic, then you can enable. Manage bot traffic with robot.txt. Use Cloudflare magic. And okay, current or okay, you can enable this one to it will ensure your website has real users, so it will avoid to AI bots visiting on your website. API shield, DDoS, analyze traffic and generate real-time signatures. Okay, let's go to setting in the security, which is important. Browser integrity check. Sometime you visit any website, you see there is a Cloudflare checking browser something. Then if you want, you can enable this one. This will always check the browser. If the browser has threats or anything, if the browser is safe, then it will land person to your website. Security label always protected. If you feel you're under attack, you can enable this one. um, I'm under attack, or you can enable this one. Let's go to access, try out different options we have. Let's go to important is speed here, where you can check your website speed. Let's go to optimization in the speed option, optimization, which is very important step here. You might see the zone not active, some error due to you have to, it may take some time to fully connect to Cloudflare, but that's okay. Now here the important thing in speed optimization, you it will recommend you site recommendation, apply Cloudflare standard recommendation setting to optimize your website. You can one click and it will apply all the speed optimization, content optimize, image optimization on your website. And when you scroll down, it will show you enabled. Some of disabled, that's okay. Enabled, enabled, enabled. Okay, now let's go to number 2 option after recommendation, image optimization. Scroll down here, some of the setting related to, you need to purchase image plan to optimize image, content optimization, which is important. So let me show you some of the setting here you need to enable. Speed brain, keep enable. And then Cloudflare fonts, optimize font loading. If you are using external third-party fonts on your website, then you can enable this option. It will, Cloudflare will optimize your fonts. Sometimes you use custom WAV font files on your website, then you can enable this one. Early hint, keep enable this one. Cloudflare will catch and send 103 early hint response to link header, so at HTML page. Early hint allow browser to preload link assets. This will optimize your website speed. Loader, I would recommend to keep this enabled. This will really work and optimize your website speed. Rocket loader. Let's go ahead. Next one. If you need automatic platform optimization for WordPress, Cloudflare has installed WordPress plugin, or you can search in the website and plugin option here, add new plugin and search for Cloudflare. They have also the WordPress plugin. And then let's go to caching, which is also important option here. Configuration. Scroll down, browser cache TTL. Make sure you set it to maximum what you have. 1 day, 5 days, 10 days, 1 month. Okay, this will reserve the browser cache. So if I visit your website today, if after 10 days if I visit again, and I will feel the speed optimization, because I already surf those pages, I already visit the website. So sometimes you see the website loader faster. When you visit first time, then might be slow, but when you visit again some website, you feel that more faster. When you click, pages immediately open. That's because browser cache enabled. Crawler hint, it will give high quality data to search engine and crawler. This will optimize the crawlers. It will avoid wasteful crawls, generally reduce root sources. This will understand to real crawlers like a Google crawler, important crawlers. So this will allow them, otherwise it avoid. It will save your resources, back end your hosting resources from consumption. Like sometime you see your hosting going to and there is no RAM left, or resources out of uses sometime. Then due to some of the AI crawlers visit on your website, so this will understand which crawler is real, like Google crawler, and it will allow them immediately. Always online. If you website mostly have any issue for like 5 second 5 minute 10 minute 15 minute, your website go down or server down, this will still keep your website alive, always online. You can enable this one. But you can also do your research by go to sport API documentation. They have a lot of um, documents you can read here to understand cache rules. If you want to set cache rules, free plan will allow you to set 10 available cache rules. Click create rule, and it will you will able to create different rules for different, even different URL. Okay, tied cache, cache reserve. Let's go to now some other options we can see here. Rules. Okay, you can create a different rule if you wanna redirect from HTTP to HTTP. We already Cloudflare already doing this job, so we don't need to create it. If your website has www, but you wanna send your traffic to non-w, then you can create a rule here. If you wanna block specific country, you can also do that one with the help of these things. We have a lot of items here. Rewrite path for countries, redirect a visitor from specific country. Okay, and let's go to next. A lot of security things here. So let's go to snippet. We can check upgrade plan. Some of the setting you will find you need to upgrade it. Let's go to network. Yeah, network, some of the setting here enable WebSocket, Presto IPv4. You can enable this one. This is the latest IPv4. IP geolocation, it will include the country code of the visitor website. You can enable this one. You can take advantage of different options here. Let's go to traffic, load balancing, health check. All are premium. Custom page, you have IP country block. You can block any country, so they will not able to access your website. WAF block. Let me go to security, so I will able to show you some of the setting here. WAF, custom rule, create rule. Yeah, you can block here the country you don't allow them to visit on your website without upgrade your plan. In WAF option, WAF, in security, first you can rule name country block like something. In the field select country equal to, like you don't want to them to allow visit on your website, like Bolivia, anything, any country. Then in the choose action, block. That's all. Deploy. That's all your work. If you have any question regarding Cloudflare, you can ask me, because I'm using a long time Cloudflare. HTTP traffic, security, performance. In the performance here, Argo Smart routing, improve load time. You can enable this one. Yeah, but it need to be upgrade. It will definitely increase your website speed for only some little cost. AI audit. Okay, analytic and log, where you can check about your traffic. Let's go to overview. And sometime you also need security for your email address. So let's go to email routing. Okay, email, create custom email address. You will able to use custom email address created by Cloudflare. They will be secure for sure. And destination, in the action send to email, route our email from custom address to destination. You can put here the address where you want your all email sent to. DMRC management, you can enable this one. Yeah, it will add one rule. There is no DMARC record found on your zone. So there is no DMARC used for security to improve delivery of emails, avoid spamming, these things. You can enable and add it to your domain easily. In the DNS setting, let's check out DNS setting. Yeah, email security, again we have DNSSC, use signature of published DNS. Yeah, in the scrap shield you can enable hot link protection, protect your image from offsite linking, so it will protect your image. You can enable this one. Email address application, and here display affiliated email address on your website to prevent bots or spammers. It will secure your emails. Web3 we have here. As you can see now it's active. If I refresh here, my domain is active now showing here. So that means all the setting has been enabled. Or once it active, when you see, go to dashboard overview, and you will see recommendation option to speed optimization. Click on it, and here you can enable simply this one. If you don't want to go with step by step, just to go ahead, site recommendation, enable all available setting. That's all your work. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it.